Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall OpenVPN on a VDS without data loss, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your virtual dedicated server, or VDS, using SSH. Use an SSH client like PuTTY or the terminal on macOS or Linux. Enter your VDS IP address and connect using your credentials. Once logged in, ensure you have root privileges to uninstall OpenVPN. You can switch to the root user by typing sudo su and entering your password. Next, check the current OpenVPN version you have installed. This can be done by typing OpenVPN version and pressing enter. To stop the OpenVPN service, use the command system to stop OpenVPN. Now, you can disable the OpenVPN service from starting automatically. Type system to disable OpenVPN and press enter. Proceed to uninstall OpenVPN from your system. If you are using a Debian-based system, type apt-get remove OpenVPN and press enter. For Red Hat-based systems, use the command yum remove OpenVPN instead. After the uninstallation process completes, confirm that OpenVPN is removed. You can check this by retyping OpenVPN version to ensure it no longer appears. Next, ensure all OpenVPN configuration files are retained for future use. Navigate to the directory where your OpenVPN configuration files are stored. Typically, this is located in /etc/OpenVPN. List the files in this directory with the command ls. Carefully copy any configuration files you wish to keep to a backup location. Use the command cpr /etc/OpenVPN/path/ to /backup for the backup. After verifying your backup, it is safe to delete the configuration files if desired. You can remove them by using the command rmrf /etc/OpenVPN/**. Finally, restart your VDS to ensure all changes take effect. Use the command reboot and wait for your server to come back online. Once back online, you have successfully uninstalled OpenVPN without data loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.